Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will be running better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorials, we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We used only 3 extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. The previously recorded video tutorials for Joomla 4 are almost completely relevant for current version of Joomla 5.3. The information from this video tutorial not relevant for Joomla 4. At least this is true on June 14, 2025. In this video tutorial we'll talk about mail templates. Mail templates, mails, is a free component built into Joomla since version 5.2, designed for editing emails sent by Joomla itself and its built-in extensions, for example, emails from contact forms, email during user registration, and so on. In Mail Templates, you can edit 26 templates in all languages installed on your website. You can edit both text and HTML versions of templates. As I mentioned before, Mail Templates is a component that was added to Joomla since version 5.2. If you update your website from the previous versions, first of all, go to System, Update Sites, make sure all plugins for all of your installed languages are enabled, and then go Extensions, check for updates, and if you have any updates of any of your languages, update it. In other case, if you have outdated languages on your site, some letters from your site can get to mailboxes without texts. So, first update and then go to System, Mail Templates. Here you can see 26 mail templates. I'll show you how to work with one of them, contact from mail. This is mail that will go to administrator mail from the contact form. About contact forms and contact we already talked in previous video tutorial. I'll remind you some basics. Here are contacts. Here we can see contact form. The contact form will send letters to this email. Also here we can see the settings for sending mail. It will send from this email. About these settings we already talked in previous video tutorials. If you want to send mails from your website, first you need to set up settings here. Then you need to work with mail templates if you wish. Also, as you can see here in the contact form, we see additional field your phone. About fields we already talked in previous video tutorials. Let's see here in mail I add custom field. Here it is. In a few seconds we will see where I can use it in mail templates. So let's go to mail templates. Here we can search some templates, we can filter them. Here I will work with contact from email. This is letter that will send to administrator from this form. And this is contacts from mail copy. This mail will be sent to the user, to the sender of this form. If he check, send a copy to yourself. So let's go here. As we can see, I have 2 languages on my site, English and Ukraine. we can edit both of them. For example, just click on the language and we can edit. If you have English language set up by default, here in languages I can see English by default. Here it is. So then I click here just on title. I will edit English version because English is the main language of my site. Here we can see some text. We can insert them here and they will be replaced by corresponding information. For example, email will be replaced with email that will be placed here by the user and so on. So just let's add some text just for test purpose. Here too. Let's save it. Let's go here and add some data. I'll fill all the fields. Just click Send Mail. We can see the mail was sent. Let's go to Mozilla Thunderbird. Let's see, this is my mail. This is my admin email. We can see our test text here and here. Also, we can see custom field here. If we go to the user's mail, we can see this is the user mail that I enter here, and I've got that letter because I check this send a copy to yourself checkbox. So here we can see this text. Why? Because here in Mail Templates, in contacts from mail copy, we can see this text. So let's go here. As you can see, we can click Reset to Default Subject and Reset to Default Body to reset all our changes to the default settings. Let's go to Options. Let's choose Mail Format HTML. Let's enable Mail Template Layout. Let's choose Logo. Let's go here and we can see our editor. How to work with this editor, there is a separate video tutorial, you can watch it. But as you can see, is very simple. Just make bold or italic. Here, as I promised, you can see custom fields and it will insert all custom fields that will be here. In my case, this is just one custom field. Let's add, for example, some text. Let's save it. And let's add some data here once more. I fill in all fields, just click Send. And let's go here. Here we can see this mail with template with our logo. As you can see, this is info Alexius Biz. This is mail of the sender. So this is not this template. This is this template. But as you can see, when we enable this option and this option, we've got changes to all our templates. Also for all of these templates. But in my case, I'm interested in this template. Let's go here and we can see bold, italic text. Also, we can see this template. So that's how you can edit your email templates. I hope this and other Joomla video tutorials have helped you with this CMS. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.